Air Zoom Huarache 2K4 All-Star, originally worn by Kobe Bryant during the 2004 All-Star Weekend in Los Angeles, is making a return in spring 2026. Staying true to its OG design, the retro features a crisp white upper, metallic silver overlays, reflective touches, and royal blue accents on the inner lining and outsole. The shoe's high-cut neoprene bootie and external ankle strap deliver excellent lockdown support, while Zoom Air units in the heel and forefoot provide responsive cushioning. Celebrated for its performance and design, the 2K4 marked a standout moment in Kobe's early Nike career before he received his signature line. This faithful reissue not only caters to collectors and fans of early 2000s basketball sneakers but also stands as a reliable on-court performer. Official look from the last reissue offer a glimpse of what to expect when the All-Star colorway returns via Nike.com and select retailers next spring.